Today we'll be making my pan-seared flounder with asparagus and brown rice. First, you need to cook your rice in a pot of boiling water. Reduce the heat to simmer for 10 minutes. And now to prepare the asparagus, we'll cut about 1 inch off the bottom of the stems. Next, we're going to clean our asparagus spears by peeling a little bit off the bottoms. And then once the asparagus is cleaned, we're going to steam them for 7 minutes until nice and tender. Now that our asparagus is cooked, carefully put them into a nice serving dish. We're going to get ready to season them. Now first, I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil using my pump spray bottle. And if you don't have a pump spray, you can just drizzle the olive oil over top of them. This will help your season to adhere to it. Today I'm using Dash. We're trying to cut out our sodium, although you can use salt and pepper if you like. And your rice is done when all the water has been absorbed. And here again, I'm using some Dash to season the rice. And just give it a stir. Now to prepare our flounder, I'm going to use some granulated garlic, just a little pink Himalayan sea salt, some ground black pepper, and some dried basil. Now over a medium heat, add 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Add your flounder, cover and cook over medium heat for 6 minutes. When your flounder is done, nicely plate it with the asparagus spears and the brown rice. Now finish it off with some parsley flakes and you're done.